Now, in order to do this activity, first of all, we have to decide on a event. So for this particular part, I will be deciding any school celebration activity. So first, I will be giving the name over here, school celebration. Any day celebration can be there. Now, in order to celebrate a day, definitely they require certain decorative items, certain music, lunch or dinner should be there. So for that particular part, we have to bargain with the vendors. Done. So over here, we will be preparing first a sheet with certain column headings over there. So I will be giving certain headings to the column and deciding the name of the Google Sheet. So as you are able to see over here, the name of the Google Sheets I've already given is school celebration. Now moving over here, the first thing that you are able to see is item. So I will be typing item over here. Then vendors. Vendors are the person from whom we buy this particular equipments or items. Then it's cost discount. So I will be typing in C1 cost. In D1 it will be discount. Let's move back to the presentation and see. Then it is amount itself. It is dollar amount. We will be only writing amount because this sheet has been taken from Google, so hence it is giving us in dollars, but we will be converting that particular part into amount, total after discount. So I will be writing over here total after discount. And you are able to see that this particular text is going in another cell. So you all are aware, we have done it many a times in the sync session itself, called as text wrapping, but I won't be able to do it now. First, let us complete by giving entire heading. Sales text is given in G1. So in G1, I will be typing sales text. Every now and then we are aware about it that in India also we are required to pay certain taxes, that is VAT, GST, added fees and subtotal. So it is added fees and subtotal. So the first part is done. I have created only a Google Sheet with certain headings over here. Now, if you see over here, in the image, clearly it is mentioned that certain fill colors are given to the cell. So what I will be doing, I'll be selecting entire cell till subtotal. And this is the fill color option over here. Fill color, I'll be selecting light gray and making the text bold. And then going for slowly, I will be doing it one more time. Now, first select the text from item to subtotal, that is cell A1 to I1. You are able to see over here A1 to I1 has been selected. Now I want to give a color. It is not necessary that I am giving gray color. You also have to give gray color. You can select any other random color, whichever you think is best for your Google Sheets or as per your theme that you have selected. Done. So it is very dark. I will be going for certain light. Yes, so it is visible over here. Now you are able to see that the text is bold over here. So what I will be doing, selecting entire text, Control B. So it is bold, and the last option that I will be doing, or the last operation that I will be doing, is wrapping of text. And if you want, you can align the text as center. So our first part is done. I have created the headings. Now in the next part of the presentation, we will be filling certain data into the sheet that we have already created.